Hi children, we are continuing with constructions. We have quite a lot of lessons to do on construction, so we are continuing with it. So today we will do a few problems. First of all, draw a line PQ, construct 60 degrees at P and 45 degrees at Q. So we draw a line PQ. They are not given the length, so we just draw a line like that and put P here and Q there. Now what we will do is we have to construct 60 degrees at P. Now we know how to construct 60 degrees, that we draw one arc and cut the same arc. So what we do is here we draw an arc like that, and here from here cut out the same thing. So we join this. So this will be 60 degrees. And we have to draw 45 degrees at P, at Q. It should be 45 degrees here. So how to draw 45 degrees? We studied draw an angle of 90 degrees and then bisect the triangle. Now, and we also studied how to draw 90 degrees at the end of a line. What we should do is we should produce this line carefully. And after producing this line, we know how to draw perpendicular to from a point on the line. So we give the middle point here and draw two arcs like this, and from here and here two arcs like that, and then join that. So we have got the 90 degrees. Now after getting the 90 degrees, we have to get 45 degrees. How to get 45 degrees? Bisect the 90 degrees angle, and we know how to bisect the angle. So what you do is from here we draw an arc, and from here and here draw two arcs like that, and here like that, and join this. So here we have 45 degrees, here we have 50, and you have to mark 45 degrees on the construction diagram. So draw line PQ, construct 60 degrees at P and 45 degrees at Q. So here we construct 60 degrees, and here we do a 90 degrees angle and then bisected to get 45 degrees. So this is the answer to that question. Construct an angle of 15 degrees. Second question. We have to construct an angle of 50 degrees accurately. So what we do is, how to get 15? 15 is, now first construct 60 degrees. You know how to construct 60 degrees. Then you know from 60 degrees how to construct 30 degrees. That bisect 60 degrees and you'll be getting 30 degrees. And when you bisect 30 degrees again, you'll be getting 15 degrees. So we'll go through that. These are line, and then we draw 60 degrees. Line like that, then line like that. Then now we have drawn 60 degrees here. And we'll bisect this angle to get 30 degrees. Now this is 30, this is also 30. Now how to get 15 degrees? Bisect this angle again from here. From here draw an arc like that, and here draw another arc like that, and join that. So this angle will be 15, this angle 15, 15. So we have got 15 degrees, 30, what we want here. So I'll go through this again. Supposing this is a line, and we have to draw 15 degrees here. And first of all, what you do is, we draw an arc for which, like how we do for 60 degrees, and from here cut out the same length, and then you draw this line. Now we know that this angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now if you bisect 60 degrees, you know that it will be 30. How to bisect an angle? So from here and here draw two arcs. Here one arc, and join this. So we have got 30 degrees there. And now how to get 15 degrees? Bisect this 30 degrees. How to bisect this angle? Now already we have an arc here. From these two places we draw two arcs and join this. So this will be 15 degrees. So children, now you can follow this on the board, and then of course you can understand, but it's easy to forget. So what you should do is, you should go on repeating and practicing sums, then you will be able to understand. Third one, construct an angle of 75 degrees. 75 degrees. Now we studied sort of angle. You have studied 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 120 degrees, then 15 degrees, 60 degrees, like that. So now we are going to construct an angle of 75 degrees. Now we can't just keep the protractor and draw 75, we have to construct. How to construct? Now 75 degrees will be 45 and 30. 75 degrees. Or you can have 60 and 15. So we can construct 60 degrees and 15 degrees, or we can construct 45 degrees and 30 degrees. This will be much more easier than this one. How first of all, what you do is construct 45 degrees. Draw a line, and then 45 degrees means you have to draw 90 degrees and then bisect the angle. So suppose we have constructed the line here. So give the middle point here, draw two arcs like this, and now this is 90 degrees. We have drawn 90 degrees. Now how to get 45? You draw an arc like this, and from here and here, draw two arcs. Now here we have got 45 degrees. Children, you must not erase any of these lines. You have to keep the constructed lines very carefully, so the examiner will be able to find out how you draw it. Now we have got 45 degrees here. Now, and these are also 45 degrees. These are all 45 degrees. 40. Now how to get 30 degrees? Now what you can do is, you can from here continue this arc, keep the compass here and draw an arc like this, and from here draw an arc like this. Then this angle will be 60 degrees. How did we get that? Now already we have got here. Now we can join 45 and 30 here. So what you do is, from here draw an arc like this, and with the same measurement from here draw an arc like that. Then that will be 60 degrees. So this will be 60. Now how to get 30 here? Bisect this angle like that and like that. So this will be 30 and this will be 30. So what the required angle that we want, 75 degrees, is here. This one and this one. We'll go through that again once more. Now what you want is 75 degrees. We can draw 30 degrees and 45 degrees there also. We'll do that way. So what we do is, first of all, draw 60 degrees here, and then bisect here, and straight away we have got 30 degrees. This is 30, this is 30. Now what we should do is, we must get 45 degrees here. How to get 45 degrees here? You can draw a perpendicular here. Cut off here and cut off here, cut off there, like that, and like that. So we have got 90 degrees here. You can extend this arc, and from here and here draw two arcs. Then you got 45 degrees here. So this is 45, this is 45. So 35 and 45, 75 degrees here. So this angle is 75 degrees. We will draw one more example for that. Now we will try another method how to draw the 75 degrees, that is 60 and 15. So first of all, what you do is, draw the line and then draw the 60 degrees. From here, cut out like that. So we have got 60 degrees here. That is this part we have done. Now we have to get 15 degrees here with this. What to do is, we studied how to draw another 60 degrees, we cut off here. Then you get another 60 degrees there. And if you bisect this 60 degrees, you will be getting 30 degrees here. And if you bisect 30 degrees, you will be getting the 15 degrees here. So this is 15, this is 60. So this whole angle is 75 degrees. We will do that again. What we should do is, we should get a 75 degrees angle. So we draw a line here, and we first take 60 degrees. How to get 60 degrees? From here, draw an arc. That is another arc with the same measurement, and you got 60 degrees here. Now we have to get 15 degrees. Now I told you how to draw 120 degrees. So if you draw another arc here, it will be 120 degrees. That will be another 60 degrees here. So these are the 60, these are 60. This 60 we need. And this 60, what we do is, we bisect this 60. That is how you, like that. We have bisect, then this will be 30, this will be 30. And if you bisect this again, from here and here, you'll be getting 15 degrees here. So 60 and 15, 75. So this angle is equal to 75 degrees. So children, this is all for today. I hope you have understood. Please subscribe if you have understood.